Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to leave a group chat on iPhone. Now, the first thing that we need to do is open the iMessage app on our phone. Now, click on the group photo located at the top part of your screen. And here, take note that if all of the people involved is using an iOS device, the option will be leave conversation. But if one of the people involved on the group chat is using an Android, then the option will be delete and block this conversation. Do not worry, you will only block this group chat, not the people in the group chat. You just need to click delete and block this conversation. To confirm, click delete and block conversation again. And that's it. That's how you leave a group chat on iPhone. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!